What is going on, everybody? And welcome back to another video. In this video, we did a little bit of work on our garage that we started 2 weeks ago now. 2-3 weeks ago now. And as you can see right from the start, you can see that we boarded up this side, because if you guys can remember from the previous video, that this was all destroyed and it was really broken down. And yeah, that's what we did on, basically that's what we did on this side. We stripped the rest of the siding from the back. I'll show you that real quick. We stripped the rest of the siding, as you can see. Then if we go up the ladder here, I wanted to show you what it looked like without shingles, but what we did was we re-shingled the whole area, or the whole roof, basically. I don't want to get onto the roof because, as you guys can see, it's already really kind of dirty from the wind. We had a really windy night. When was it? Tuesday night was really, really windy, as you guys can see. And then all we have to do really is, I'm going to head down the ladder real quick. All we really have to do now is re-side it, and then I'm going to get down. There we go. All we have to do really is re-side the whole place with the like khaki color siding. It looks really good, but I know it's painted red. We were originally going to do red siding, but we chose not to. But then we have to see this overhang. We still have to worry about the overhang. What we want to do is we want to just have like a trellis, almost like a trellis slash like overhang that will drip off water, of course, and basically any water that would come in would not go into the garage. Right here, we want to get new garage doors, because you can see these are really kind of old garage doors. Really old, actually. Here when we bought the house. And then we want to put floor drains along the ground. Floor drains that would drain off into the woods right over there. And as you guys can see, we rose the headers of the garage door. We have to do a little bit more work to that, because right now they're just, as you can see, they're just being held up by a few pieces of blocks of wood. We also, of course, have to put particle board and stuff along the side, like that side right there. And I don't think I showed you this, but on this side, we installed a man door, just so you can get inside very easily. We also stripped the siding, as you can see, which is really easy. It took us like 20 minutes to actually install the man door. And all I really have to do on my part, today I have to see these nail heads right here. They're all just everywhere. I have to go with a hammer and just strip them all out, or hammer them in. It's either or. I'm going to strip them out because it's a lot easier. As you guys can see, then we have to cut the siding out because it's not done. But yeah, so basically progress is doing really well on our garage. It looks really good in terms of roof wise, because nothing's done really. The door looks good, and then we ordered some garage doors. They should be coming soon. I think it was somewhere in the next week it was going to come in. I forget. But yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you have, hit that like button down below. And if you guys want to see more of this, hit that subscribe, and yeah. See you guys all later.